Hey everyone, there's another Thomas Woodrow review. We talk about the Solar Weather Tracker. This item is from the yearbook and is 2006 and Storm on Solar set. This weather tracker, it's got this one, spins around like this one. The weather tracker gets everything pulled by the train. The Solar Weather Tracker, it's got a temperature. So it must be hot, warm, or cold. For the weather, the Solar Weather Tracker, it's got a name at the bottom that is absolutely necessary. It's from a yearbook in 2006, Colonel Engines, Storm on Solar set. This one, the nostalgia, sure GBA always had. The weather tracker comes rolling stock, expectation. This weather tracker got a real clock phenomenon, but this one, it's a warning. There's a storm on solar, get booming around. Weather tracker gets everything, the weather changes. This weather tracker goes back and forth every single year. Every year and every day, huh? The weather tracker's got absolutely necessary for this rolling stock. Go pull by the engine. We're using Percy, Airy, and Bert using the weather tracker. It's the one Colonel Engines, DVD and VHS. The Solar Weather Tracker look pretty necessary for this item. It has a name at the bottom that comes responsible from 2003. This one's pretty necessary. The weather tracker goes everything, the real distinction for the temperatures. The weather gets hot, cold, or warm. For this weather tracker got pretty necessary rolling stock. It moves around solar. Like the other train used to be like Thomas, Percy, or Toby, or James. But the other ones is Airy and Bert. Steamies and Diesels work together. The one Colonel Engines. So the weather tracker, that rolling stock with a nice, great freight car pulled by Percy. So the weather tracker, pretty nice steam on from Storm on Solar set in year 2006. This is the review of Thomas Woodrow. The Solar Weather Tracker belongs to Storm on Solar set. And that's kind of very cool. With a class of Woodmill and others. I'll see you in the other review and have a great day.